So today we're gonna install the 32-inch pipe cut lacy scissors made out of nice chrome metal. So we're gonna wrap it and show you guys how it works. So this is all it comes with. It comes with two pieces, the pole to put it, and it comes with installation instructions inside. So everything's included, so just make sure you read the instructions to install it. So let's try it out. 32-inch pipe cut wire lacy scissor install. As you see, it's really nice and sturdy. You can adjust it. It has the holes for the pin to adjust it, so you could put it up or down as however you like. And it has two baskets, so just be aware. This is so you don't lose a corner. It's not for like super heavy duty stuff. It's for lightweight stuff. Thank you. So 32-inch pipe cut lacy scissors are already installed, as you see. It's really nice. That way you can use every single space in your kitchen.